Photographs, drawing, painting, illustrations, designs, etc. have to be scanned and transferred to the computer first for editing. Now pictures captured by a digital camera can directly be copied to the computer. After the editing, these photos can be used on printed invitation cards, posters, banners, advertisements, etc. through the digital media. There are numerous programs to edit photos in computer. Of these programs, Photoshop is popular worldwide, brightening and darkening the enter or a part of picture, designing the cover of a book with several pictures, making posters, cutting off any irrelevant part of the picture, erasing blotchy marks on the picture, etc. can easily be done by Photoshop. Assalamu alaikum student of class 10. I am your ICT teacher Khurshid Alam Rani from Square High School and College, and today I am going to show you how to use Photoshop program, and this is your first class for Photoshop learning. So let's get started. Photoshop, an editing software, should have been installed in the computer or it should be installed. Editing can be done on a file created earlier. Click the Start or logo button of Windows and get the flyout menu. Click Adobe Photoshop program. From this menu, and Adobe Photoshop will open. Now, click New from the File menu after opening up the Photoshop program and get New dialog box. You will get Untitled 1 selected in the square space of name of the dialog box. Pressing backspace button of the keyboard, erase the writing and type a name. It will be the name of file. Suppose that Square is typed in the name box. If you type the name in this stage, you need not to type it further. While closing the file, a new dialog box will come when you will go to close the file. In the box of width and height in new dialog box, type numbers on the measurement unit inch. Width of 7 inch and height of 8 inch. There is a drop down menu to determine the unit of measurement on the right side of these two boxes, such as inches, pixel, picas, points, centimeter, millimeter. Select the requisite unit from this drop down menu. Fix the measurement by inches. Suppose that measurement unit of the present task is inch and 7 in the box of width and 8 in the box of height have been typed. Now the resolution, for example 72, is kept unchanged. Now what is resolution? Image or pictures are created in Photoshop by pixel. Pixel is the smallest square unit of image. 72 pixels per inch mean crossing 72 line vertically and horizontally per inch space. The total number of pixels in 1 square inch will be 72 into 72, that is 5184. The number of pixels in per square inch is called resolution. If 130 is typed in the box of pixel, the resolution will be 132 into 132, that is 16,900. If an image is enlarged, the pixel could be visible. This view is called pixelated. In simple word, it is called split image. From the drop down menu of color mode in the dialog box, RGB, CMYK, bitmap, grayscale and lap color. RGB can be selected as all the images on the monitors of computer, television and other electronic media are viewed in RGB mode. RGB is the abbreviation of red, green and blue. And CMYK is appropriate for the printing or press media. CMYK is abbreviation of cyan, magenta, yellow and black. Again, there are three options in background content. The options are white background and transparent. If white is selected from the drop down menu, the background will be white. If color is selected from background toolbar box, it will turn into color of the canvas. If transparent is selected, the background will be transparent and checkered. The background option can be selected as you like. White can be selected here too. Completing the measurement of the dialog box, press OK. A window will be viewed as per the measurement given in the dialog box. On the top left corner, square at the rate 100% RGB/8 will be viewed. This bar is called title bar. If any name is not used in the name box of the new dialog box, untitled one at the rate of 100% RGB/8 will be viewed on the title bar as the file name. Here, square is the file name and 100% is the visibility mode, that is screen or your canvas is visible with 100%, and RGB is the color mode of your canvas, and 8 is represented the bit of the color mode. The ruler is located below the option bar. The Photoshop work is to be done below the ruler on the screen. The screen can be compared to the canvas of the painting of an artist. On the left side of the canvas are the brush, color and different kinds of editing tools, and on the right side is the palette. Okay student, that was all about for today. In next class I will discuss and show you the toolbox of Photoshop and palette distinction. Till then, goodbye.